west hangar!
They've had months to prepare. There will be traps. Expect a counterattack in the west hangar.
Targeting the east hangar!
Meanwhile, their commanders are fleeing to transports.
Capture the east hangar!
We have the hangars. Additional snowtroopers will join our strike force. Regroup and rearm for the final assault. The enemy's evacuation transports are still refueling. Cut off their supplies at the fueling station, fuel pipes and depot. Rig each location with explosives and claim victory over the rebellion.
Now, it is over.
There! Bomb's out of his pipes! Grenade out!
Fortifying position. Do not doubt our might. Let's do this up.
Fueling station press to blow! Charges set at the depot!
Those who die today die heroes.
Depot bomb disarmed! They got past us!
Depot set! Charges in place!
Pipe secure! Setting charges! Grenade out! Alive!
depot destroyed. 2 targets down. 1 remains.
Explosives offline! Enemy re-securing the pipes! Fence is up! Priming charges! Rigging the pipes!
Bomb disarmed. Rebels got to the pipes.
Every second they evacuate more troops.
Let the pipes. Charges set and armed.
One for shrapnel!
You see my specialty.
Calrissian's luck can't last forever. Eliminate him.
Brace for explosion in the pipes.
There. Bomb's out of the pipes. Watch for shrapnel.
Countdown nearing 0. Detonating the pipes shortly. Target destroyed. The rebels can no longer fuel their ships. A few transports might escape, but will take Hoth in a matter of hours.